Welcome back everybody, nature video. This is a female flame robin, so she's the more humble looking one, and then the male is a spectacular flame orange colour on his chest. But still nice to see. Sorry, my shaky camera. This individual just caught a little bug and ate it, and I didn't get the camera on quick enough. Really nice bird. These are altitudinal migrants, so every winter they come down from the Canberra mountains and into Canberra. It's probably going to fly away in a moment, but for example, if I pan the camera out, there's the Brindabella mountain ranges, and their little flame robins fly all the way down into Canberra from up in the mountains. So it's a little bit warmer here, some more food for them to eat, so we call them altitudinal migrants. Really nice little bird. So it will hang around in this nature reserve till somewhere around August, September. Once spring starts warming up, it'll go up into the mountains to breed. Okay, God bless you all my brothers and sisters in Christ. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.